Hello, how can I help you today? If you are looking for information regarding a specific professional, academic, or public profile named Sundaresh, let me know a bit more context, such as a field of work or organization, so I can find exactly what you need. Based on the profile of Sundaresh SS as a lecturer in English, he is a well-regarded academic in Karnataka, India, known for his work in English language and literature education. Here is an overview of his background, contributions, and key areas of focus. Professional background. Role: lecturer, assistant professor of English. Affiliation: he has been associated with prominent educational institutions in Karnataka, preparing students for pre-university, PUC, and undergraduate university examinations. Specialization: English language teaching, ELT, Indian writing in English, English grammar, and literary analysis. Key contributions and academic impact. Study guides and learning materials. He is highly recognized for creating comprehensive, student-friendly study materials, question banks, and notes specifically designed for the Karnataka Second PUC English syllabus. His guides break down complex poetry and prose into easily digestible summaries. Exam preparation. His structured approach to English grammar and workbook solutions, such as comprehension, report writing, and dialogue writing, has helped thousands of students excel in board examinations. Pedagogy. Known for making English accessible to students from diverse linguistic backgrounds, bridging the gap between vernacular mediums and English proficiency. Are you looking for specific study materials authored by him, details on a particular chapter or grammar topic, or information regarding his current institutional affiliation? Turn on the light and let me know how I can assist you further.